Alright, thanks for clicking, dog. Here we go with the creamy Chipotle Southwest sauce. Easy, fresh ingredients. Anybody can make this at home. Better than a restaurant, I guarantee it. First step is going to be the magic bullet here. If you don't have a magic bullet, use your Ninja blender or whatever kind of blender you have at home. We got about a cup of mayo going in right now. We're going to set that off to the side and get into the garlic. If you have a whole bulb of garlic, press that top in and it'll open up really easy for you. We're going to get a clove out of there and lay that down on the cutting board. Press down on that with the knife and it'll pop right open. Get that into our magic bullet and move on to the jalapeno. I'm using about a half of a jalapeno. This will add some freshness in there. Chop it up just a little bit to help it out in the blender. And then we're gonna get into the cilantro. A lot of people don't, but I recommend using the stems. The stems actually have a ton of flavor and it's a overlooked part of the plant. So use those, tacos, pico, whatever you like. Here's our chipotles. Chipotles are just smoked jalapenos in adobo sauce. And this sauce is all about bringing layers of flavor in. So we're gonna layer in the smokiness, the freshness from the cilantro and the jalapeno, the creaminess, and then we're gonna have that acidic pop with this lemon and lime. We got some onion powder and some pepper gonna go in. And let's take a look at that. That's pretty much it right there. You guys are right on track. Give that a blend in your blender. I'm gonna make sure that we blend that thoroughly because we want this to be pretty creamy. And there it is. Creamy Chipotle Southwest. Better than the restaurant, guarantee it. And this is great on chips, tacos, burritos, french fries, chicken wings. Literally anything that your favorite sauce will go on, this will go on because this will be your new favorite sauce, I promise you. Takes 5 minutes. I make this once just about every other day. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for clicking and stay tuned. Fucking glad to bring it to you, dog.